Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up? We're gonna rub some houses with Shish Dam Gaming. What's up, bro? Alright, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Gonna make obviously myself very tiny, cause I need to make myself very tiny. There we go, and let's go rub the house. There's a fireplace. That's very weird. I mean, there's the fire is on, so it's quite. How did you rub the house immediately? Obviously, oh, we're there. There's more. There's more. Oh, somebody opened it. What the? Ew. Why does he look? Why does he look like that? Ew. Oh, he banned me. Oh, it's alright because I got his bank. Mission failed. We get him next time. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. House 24. Now let's go house 22. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so the windows are. How do we do this? How do we do this? Wait. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, we need. I think he's sleeping. Oh yeah, they're using props. The owner is here. The owner is here. Oh, I'm gonna risk it. I don't. No, where's the bank? I don't know. We need to find the bank, guys. Sick. It's not the same. We need to find it. We need to find it. We're not going out until we find it. Yeah, probably it's downstairs. Who is that inside? I'm quite scared, bro. He might be here. I'm quite scared. He's There's nothing here. No, this is not bad. If you wanna hide somewhere, yeah, this is not bad. Oh, let's go house 23. There's like some emo thingamabobs. No, this is not. This is different. This is different. Oh! Wait. This is not the same. Yo, this is the same. But it's not the same. It's not the same. Okay, we need. Oh no! Yeah, I'm just gonna escape. Come on, come on! Nope. No, I need to go. My shit! He's. Oh my god. No, I got banned! Bro, you need to get this, bro. Come on, bro, come on. Bro, bro, go, 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 and go, go, go. I'm gonna try to help you. I'm gonna try to help you. It's at the bathroom. It's at the bathroom. And then you need to bed glitch or you need to find it. No, it's not. He's talking with me. He's talking with me. The owner's talking with me. Ah, the bank. L. Bro, yeah, who cares? Oh, the police is here. Oh, he banned him. Bro, he's like a 17-year old that is. Oh god, oh, that's censored. Oh guys, I'm gonna send. Oh no, that's a bad word, guys. Hope so you don't search that up, guys. Do not search that up. Nothing, nothing. I'm not. I closed chat because um house 35. There's somebody house 35. I'm quite disappointed though. Oh yes, I got it. Need to get the bank. Oh, it's here. Oh, that's missed. My baller. No! No! Alright, let's go into a different house. Alright, let's do house 20. The owner is here. What the hell? Boo, help me! Wait just a minute. I got in. Who? The owner is here. The owner is here. I got it. Oh. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Get down. Oh, I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna get down. You robbed the bank? Nice one. You robbed the bank. Nice one. And that's, I think that's all of, oh, House 35 got changed. House 35 got changed. House 35. It's still the person, but it got changed. Last time, I think it was, oh, the cams are here. House 35, help me, bro. Help me at House 35. Oh, there you go. We got into the backyard, guys. We got into the backyard. Oh, I got in. I need to find immediately the bank. Got it. Let's go. And I'm back into my house. I'm already back into my house, bro. I'm a fast runner. House 2 is, House 2 has no bank. House 2 has no bank. House 2, but it doesn't have a bank. Oh yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy and bye bye.